but I just changed the formulas, which is just opposite from mirror formula, and there is nothing new. You have seen the same calculations, and find out the position of image if it is given to you, find out the position of object if it is given to you, and draw the diagram according to the book. Okay, so you have to remember all these diagrams very clear cut for your examinations. Okay, then how you can only find out that what should be the diagram, what should I draw if the image is at f1 and 2f1, or images at f1, or images at 2f1, or images at optical center and between optical center and infinity, or the object is here or the image is here. If you are very clear with these things, then these questions, okay, these questions comes with 5 mark questions. Okay, this numerical will come with 5 marks. Okay, so if you are able to do this, then no one can cut your marks. Okay, because we know that numericals can get full out of full. So there is no confusion, there is no problem. You just have to remember these, all these possible images for mirrors and lenses, and you can write this, you can draw this. Okay, so in initial levels today I will give you some homework. So at initial level, okay, at initial levels means I'm not expecting you to remember each and everything exact at the moment. So you can use your book. I will give a question and you can use your book to identify the images. Okay, where the object is placed, where the image is forming, where is the focal length. Okay, at initial levels, but you have to remember these things and practice more and more, so you will be able to do this without your book. Today I ask you to go out your book, to bring your book, and to see something inside your book, to see the diagram inside your book. Okay, so you can use the same method, you can use the same method for initial levels, for this level. Okay, for these 5, 10, 20 days. Okay, but after that you have to practice so much, so that you know you are not allowed to take your book in your examination. We know this, and you have to do this without your book. You have to do these questions without your book, so that you have to learn all the possible images. Okay, right now we are going to do some questions based on power. Okay, the formula of power is P is equals to 1 upon F, that is focal length, and F is equals to 1 upon P. That's it. Okay, if something either F or either P is given me to positive, okay, or diopter, okay, it is given positive, it means that they are talking about this length. And if F, P and D, okay, that is unit of power, that is diopter, if it is given me negative, then they are talking about this length. Okay, first question, write down with me. Find the focal length that is F of a concave lens of power 2.00 diopter. Okay, now this is very simple question. I think this is very simple question. I have to find out focal length, and it should be in negative. Okay, because they are talking me about concave lens and it has a negative focal length. So I have to find out F. So this is my formula and I'm writing this. Okay, because I have to find out focal length. Just put the values. What is the value of P? That is 2.00, and it is not given to me minus or plus here. Okay, I have to write. I know that the power of concave lenses will be negative and the focal length of this concave lens will be negative. So I know this. So I will write minus 2.00 centimeter in front of this. Okay, now I have to find out the focal length. Okay, can you answer me this? Can you answer me this? 1 upon minus 2 centimeter. Okay, I'm just giving you 1 minute. Please calculate this. And remember one thing, that focal length is always, you have to find out focal length. Okay, if I wrote this 2 focal length, yeah, just do this, do this. 1/2. Just do 1/2, and after that use a sign of minus in front of it. That's it. Yeah, very good. So this will be 1/2. Okay, Salia gave me correct answer. It will be 0.50. Okay, 0.50. Now one more thing I want to tell you very clearly, that whatever given to you, okay, if something is given to you, that means it is given in diopter. Okay, power is given to you diopter, and if you have to find out f, okay, each and every time power is given to you, then you have to find out focal length. Okay, this is the specific type of questions I'm talking. This thing is specifically for power based question. I'm not talking about this for those ray diagrams question which we studied, ray diagrams, image and object, all this. Okay, this is the type of question when there will be p and f. Okay, p and f, only p and f. Okay, so in this type of question, power will be given to you in diopter. So whenever you find these focal length, whenever you find this focal length, the focal length should be in meters. Remember, if you don't write meter, the examiner can cut your marks. I told you this before, maybe on tomorrow, that you have to find out the focal length when, only when we are talking about power and focus, not about this, the question which we did earlier. Okay, not about these type of questions, only the p and f based questions. Okay, so whatever power is given to you, the answer of the focal length will be in meters. Remember this. Okay, so now if you want to change this meter into centimeter, okay, then I will change this meter into centimeter, and it will be 50 centimeter. That is okay, because sometimes you will get MCQ, and you will get MCQ in centimeters. It's possible that it will give the you MCQ in centimeters. Okay, so but first of all, you have to find out that whatever the value is coming, whatever the value is coming of focal length, by providing power, but by not providing VU. Okay, VU questions are not here. By providing by power, if you are provided with power and the questioner is asking you to find out the value of f, then it should be in meters. Remember, always, don't forget this. Okay, now the next question, the next question, uh, a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens. Corrective lens means those who use eyes can't make a particular image. Lens of eye has defected, and we now one has to use specs or lenses. Okay, glasses. So a doctor has prescribed corrective lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. Okay, remember this, that is plus. That means it is talking about a lens which is convex lens for sure. I know this because it is plus. Remember one thing. Okay, now find out the focal length. Find out the focal length. Okay, and second, it should be converging or diverging. It is asking me that what type of lens is this. Okay, type of lens. Okay, so one, the answer I have given you answer, that if the power goes with positive, then this is our fatty person. Okay, I told you this is the power and focus says are in positive. Where is it? I told you this before. Maybe I told you this tomorrow. Definitely I told you this tomorrow. Yeah, if everything comes with positive, if everything comes with positive power of focal length, that means we are talking about this lens. And this is converging lens. We know that it converts light rays to one point. Okay, and if power or focal length is talking about negative, then we are talking about this type of lens, because this is a non-fatty person. Okay, so definitely what type of lens? A converging lens. Okay, because it is in positive. Okay, now I have to find out focal length for sure. Then P is equals to 1 upon F. Okay, then P is equals to 1 upon okay, focal length. I have to find out the focal length and just have to reciprocate my formula. So F is equals to 1 by P. Okay, now the F is equals to 1 by what is P, plus 1.5. Okay, so F will be, we have to find out. Okay, it will be in plus and the answer will be in plus. So it will be 0.66 meter. I told you that whenever there is a relationship of power and focal length, you have to find out the answer in meters. Answer will definitely come in meters. Remember this, you cannot change it. Now if you want to change it in centimeter, you can change it. It will be 66 centimeter. Okay, after that you can change it. But first of all, the answer you are taking, for the first answer should become, it is not it should come, just you should understand that whatever the answer is coming, it is in meter. Okay, if you just solve this, okay, the answer, whatever answer is coming, it is in meters. Okay, after that maybe the options in MCQs are in centimeter, so you need to change this. Okay, maybe the answer in meter, the MCQs are in meter, they're 0.66, 0.67, 0.70, 0.75, whatever. Okay, so the first answer, the depending upon the MCQ, that if the MCQs are giving you m meter 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 with 4 any digits, then you don't need to change it. Okay, and if it is given you in centimeters, then you have to convert it. But the first answer you are getting is in meter. Okay, is in meter. You have to consider that the first answer I'm getting is in meter. Where is my another question? Yeah, okay, like this. The first answer I'm getting by solving these two. Okay, just write meter in front of it. Okay, so this is my question. Now I'm giving you a one question for your homework. Please submit this before tomorrow's class. Okay, write the question. Write the question. I'm giving you very simple question. Write the question with me for homework. An object 5.0 centimeter in length, an object 5.0 centimeter in length. Okay, it is height of the object. Okay, it is height of the object. It is the case of magnification. Okay, so in length is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of convex mirror of radius of curvature okay, that is C. You know that is C, and C is equals to 2F. We know this. Okay, so what will be the F of radius of curvature? 30 centimeter. Find out the position of the image where it is forming. Okay, position of the image means V. Okay, where it is forming. And nature and size. Nature and science means diminished, or it will be large, it will be diminished, it will be nature means it will be erect, it will be virtual, it will be real, it will be inverted, what type of image is forming. Okay, and the position of image means how distantly it is placed from lens or mirror, what is passed to you. Okay, now this is the case of mirror. Okay, now the height of object is provided to you, height of object. Okay, so you have to do this. Now I'm finishing my class and submit this. Maybe you are doing wrong, it's okay. Maybe you will do a wrong question, or you will do a wrong answer. Okay, but I just want to know that how much you understood this. Okay, and tomorrow we will start a new chapter. Okay, I'm finishing my class.